Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you guys have been well. For today's video, guys, check it out. We're doing a update on the Nebo Z lanterns. These guys are here. I showed a video before. I was using these during the power outages. Our power outages have lessened, thank you. The last power outage we had was 2.5 days, and these ran on one interval of light, which is 12 hours. And I have not changed the batteries. I did that for a reason, to show you guys they still work and to give you an update on them in case you'd like to buy them. The condition of the lights right now has got some mud on them and water. We just had a massive weather change, meaning 2 days ago it was 75 degrees. Now it's 45 degrees and rain both days for 2 days. And snow at 6,000 feet. So these went through power outages for 3.5 days of 2.5 day outages, a few small power outages, and that's what we dealt with. The lights still work. I'll go ahead and turn these on for you real quick. I'm going to put them on the lower setting so it doesn't kill the camera too much. The high setting is 250 looms. The lower setting that I've been working with is 25 looms. I'll show you what that looks like in the dark once again. So this is how bright they are on 12 hours of battery drain. Not bad, right? They actually work fairly well. Cool option, I showed it before. I like how you can just pop them down. Oh, by the way, just so you guys know, the last 6 one did work. I kind of missed that one, didn't turn on. Either way, cool feature. Hey guys, I'm back. It wasn't a magic trick. My battery died on my camera. It is what it is. But anyways, just to wrap up the video, the Nebo Z Bug Lantern in my book is good to go. I will do further testing like I said, and that's that. Somewhere down the way I'm going to do another video. I got an idea from JDS. He's a do-it-yourself guy. He did a portable power box, we'll call it, out of an ammo box like this. And a great video, I'll put the link down in the description. He came up with this idea to put a 12-volt battery, like a motorcycle battery, in an ammo box and have a power source. I'm going to build one, but I'm going to do a different build on it. And stay tuned, we'll see what I come up with. Like, subscribe, comment below, and check out the descriptions of my videos. Thanks guys, talk to you soon.